In my Amazon Basics keyboard, there is no print screen option available. So I will use some other unused keys on that keyboard. Let's say right alt, because anyway left alt key will be there. So right alt I will use for print screen. So go to store, Microsoft Store, and select power toys is the app. Yeah, install it. Still installing. Now it installed. Now open this power ties. In this one there is keyboard manager. Click on this. Click on open settings. Click on Remapping. Add key remapping. So left side select just press that button which you want to use. I am selecting, I'm using right alt. So just click on the select and press the button on your keyboard which you want to map to that print screen. I am clicking right alt. Now put shortcut print screen. Okay. Now try, just press right alt. It will start print screen like this.